So that's a lot of money. $16 billion is what the superhero movie industry has made so far with just the top 100 superhero movies that have ever been made. So we have this fascination. Why is that? Why do we love superheroes so much? Well, if I were to ask you, what are the characteristics of superheroes that we love so much? Why do we admire them? Why do we put them on a pedestal? What would you tell me? Helping others.
They're fighting for good.
Fighting for good. They fly. What was that? Truth seekers.
They have a superpower.
They have a superpower.
Unstoppable.
They're unstoppable.
Overcome adversity.
Overcome adversity. These are all phenomenal. These are all the same kind of answers I always get when I ask a crowd of people, why do we love superheroes so much? And if you notice, only a couple of those were about the actual supernatural superpowers that they hold. The other characteristics, if I had to boil them all down into 4 keynote-worthy bullet points, they would be things like courage. Superheroes have courage. The courage doesn't always come when they're fighting the villains. It does a little bit there. But the courage of a superhero really comes during their origin story. You know what an origin story is for a superhero? It's that beginning story. It's the first movie in the franchise that sets the scene. It tells us how and why they became a superhero. And that's where the courage part of a superhero is, when they realize that they have power. And then they have to make a decision. Do I step into that power? Do I let the world know who I am and what I can do? That's the real moment of courage for a superhero.